Hello. Welcome to Forum's tutorial on fielding questions and receiving messages from your audience. My name is Maddie, and I will be guiding you along in a step-by-step process on how a presenter can use Forum's audience engagement tools to create an engaging back and forth with their audience. During any Forum presentation, the audience will have the ability to ask the presenter questions with Forum throughout the duration of a presentation. The presenter is notified of the question and can choose when to address and answer the question verbally to the audience. To view the questions your audience has asked, follow these steps. Select presentations from the Forum home screen. Select your uploaded presentation. Once you're in your desired presentation, you will see a taskbar at the top right of your screen. You will select the Census button. This button will take you to a screen where you can select which audience engagement tool you'd like to use. To field questions, select Questions. When participants ask questions, they automatically appear in the order in which they were asked. Select the icon next to questions, and you can sort the questions by the most frequently asked and most recent. All questions are answered verbally by the presenter. Forum will push a notification to the presenter at the top right corner of their screen when a question is asked. When you go back to look through your questions, you can filter the questions by selecting the funnel next to the questions header. You can capture the questions you've received by exporting them at the end of your presentation. For more videos like this, please visit our Help Center at www.holdaforum.com under the Support tab. You may also reach the Forum Customer Interaction Department directly by phone, email, or chat during regular business hours. Thank you.